Curious about where the fuse boxes are located in your 2024 Ford Ranger? Need help identifying the fuses for specific systems? This guide provides a detailed fuse box diagram and shows you exactly where to find them. Let's explore the layout to ensure you're ready for any electrical troubleshooting. Under hood, fuse box. The body control module fuse box in the 2024 Ford Ranger controls fuses for interior systems like power windows, lights, and locks. It features clearly labeled fuses for easy identification. The design ensures quick access for maintenance and efficient organization of electrical components. Battery fuse box. The battery fuse box in the 2024 Ford Ranger protects key electrical systems connected directly to the battery, such as the starter and alternator. It features high amperage fuses for heavy-duty components and is designed for easy access. The box is compact and sealed to prevent damage from moisture and debris. Body control module fuse box. The body control module fuse box in the 2024 Ford Ranger controls fuses for interior electronics like power windows, locks, and lighting. It features well-labeled fuses for quick identification and easy troubleshooting. The compact design allows for efficient access and maintenance. Type of fuses: blade fusee, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.